Wiglets. Today we are back with another video. Today we are going to be doing another wig tutorial slash review. I'm gonna make this review pretty quick just because I want to get straight into this video and I want to put this wig on. Okay, this hair is from VSHOW hair. Look at this amazing packaging. I think everything's coming in this packaging now, but it's so satisfying. This hair they have sent me. This is a sponsored video. This hair they have sent me. This hair is gonna be another curly haired wig, but this hair is not the same hair I have on my head. This is a water wave wig, okay? This hair is a deep wave. A deep wave is a much more tighter curl and it is more shrinkage than you think. I'm gonna open the box because I'm so ready. I'm so ready. Guys, can I just say, before we even open her, okay? Fenty Beauty, like got me feeling some type of way. Like, Fenty Beauty, come on. What are we doing? Making me look good in this light. Like, Fenty makeup is like, oh, okay, you want to keep sagging like that or do you want to stay up? Gosh, I'm talking to my lashes. Oh, Fenty Beauty will make you glow. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in honey. Honey, I'm looking like a glass of honey. Gosh, I'm so happy I bought this. I mean, it was worth every expensive penny I did not have, okay? Getting back to the video, let's open this hair. Let's go. Opening up the boxy box. Here's our beautiful wig, which I will show you later. Y'all, they came through. This is important. Know that this is important, okay? We need to be, ladies, don't put on no wig without no wig cap, because you're gonna be looking all types of dumb, okay? So let's just cherish these. This is our best friend with your hair breaking underneath, okay? Then they came with the little flyer, basically giving their Instagram, their Twitter, their Facebook, and their Pinterest. Okay. They kind of show you how to maintain the hair here. Let's open. Oh, and sorry, I'm wearing James Charles palette. You know, I love his palette. Okay. Woo! Cause okay, I know y'all can see the difference. You see the difference between water wave and a deep wave? Very different. Y'all, I'm excited! Take off our little hair net, cafeteria net. That's what I call it. And out the bag. Out the bag. We gotta do our bounce check. Bounce check, okay? Bounce check. Okay. Hey, this is 20 inches. This is a 20-inch deep wave. I will leave all of the details down below in the description, but this is a deep wave, okay? And this is 20 inches. They sent me this hair because they wanted me to do a review on it, and I was like, of course. Okay. You know, because who wouldn't want a beautiful deep wave wig? This hair is so soft. It is true to length, 20 inches. This is 20 inches. Stretched out, it's probably like 21, 22. Stretched out. They did pre-pluck it for you. They pluck it for you here. The knots are not bleached, but the lace is a transparent lace, so you can see that it's a whiter lace, but that's good for blending. So it looks like Scalpiana. Okay, I am going to bleach this, bleach the knot. I like my wigs to look real. I bleached the knots on this one, and you can tell the scalp looks real. I always bleach my knots on all my wigs. I'm pretty sure if I got like a super like expensive wig, it would be like already bleached, or you wouldn't even need to do all that, because I mean, if you paying that much money, it better be bleached, okay? Period. Okay, so yes, let's look at the inside of the construction of the cap. You know, all caps are different, but nowadays it looks like every company's doing the same thing. You guys know I don't care for the combs. It came with 4 combs, side, front, and back. Okay. This is what I love. My adjustable straps. I fuck with the adjustable straps because I think that's what really helps the wig stay secured. And they got to be glued. Whatever you use, bowl hold. These are very helpful. The wig kind of comes with like this stretchy material. If you got a big head, it's very big head friendly because I have a big head. I'm taking up most of this screen right now, so it's big head friendly, trust me. It kind of did a little plucking for you. I'm just gonna be extra and go in more just because I like to do that. I like to pluck the knots and stuff. But yes, this wig is like super soft, minimal shedding. It's like when I put my fingers through it, got my hands all glittery. 3 strands of hair, but that's okay. So yeah, this is super soft. I love the like pattern. The curl pattern is gorgeous. I'm just ready to put this wig on. I'm gonna be real, like, I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Cause I know I am. Let's get into the video.
Shensea.
On the beat. On the beat.
Shensea. First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Looking
on the beat. Jackie. the beat.
Blind man can see it. So every day I repeat it. I say, first thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say, bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. Way too blessed, 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 blessed. Bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. Way too blessed, 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 blessed. Drop it on drop, drop it on drop, drop it on drop, drop this shit on drop, drop it on drop, drop it on drop, drop it on drop, drop it on drop, drop on drop, drop on drop, dip drop on drop, drop on drop, drop on drop, drop on drop, drop on drop.
Mixed by J-Kid.
Yeah. Yeah. Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it.
Shensea. First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Looking
J-Kid on the beat.
best, 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 best. Way too blessed, 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 blessed. Bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. Way too blessed, 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 blessed.
J-Kid. J-Kid on the beat.
Blind man can see it. So every day I repeat it. I say, first thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say, bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. Way too blessed.
What's up, guys? That's how I'm feeling right now. Yeah, right now. But you know, I'm just gonna move past it because we're not gonna reminisce on this anymore because what's done is done. I did a certain technique on this baby hair here and this baby hair here. Look a little more real with the wig because this is a wig. We did it now. Just kidding, you already know. I decided to do a half up, half down because I always do my hair down, either a side part or a middle part. I wanted to do something different so you guys can see the back. I'm in love with this wig. VSHOWHAIR actually sent me this hair. They left me speechless. I will leave a link below of how much the wig is, how much density it is. This hair is like ba-ba-boom. Ba-ba-boosh. Period. So, the curls that you can see is way tighter than the water wave. Water wave, it just gives you a little type of wet look. This is more of like a, this is my natural hair. This is my hair. It's actually curly. I did put some conditioner. I put some conditioner in it. It did dry up pretty quick. I must say, I like it to dry up a little quicker than usual. I just don't want it to be like super big. This is my spray bottle. This is just water, so just putting water, and this is just me making it look a little flatter. It does not matter what type of conditioner you use. It does not matter, but do not use a lot, because this will make your hair heavy. This will make your hair oily. I usually use leave-in conditioner, but you gotta work with what you got. I know you guys saw me use a fork. I used a fork because I didn't have my handy dandy rat tail, so you know, you gotta work what you gotta work with. I don't care to use expensive type of combs or brushes. You can still achieve a bomb look with what you have. So don't feel like you need to go out and buy billions of things. Let me tell you what you do need. You want this thing to stay on? Oh my God. You want this thing to stay on like this? I'm gonna need you to invest in some Got2b glue and some Got2b glue spray. If you just plan on taking out your wig at the end of the day, Got2b glue and Got2b glue spray is a recommendation to buy. If you want to keep your wig on for like 2 weeks, refer to other videos about the bullet holes. I personally don't like bullet holes because I don't want my wig to be on for 5 years. Yeah, that's my suggestion as far as glue. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for showing me so much love. Thank you guys for even watching this video. I'm just getting started with this whole YouTube thing, so you know, I'm new to the block or whatever. So, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, always supporting me, always commenting, always giving me feedback. I love feedback, even if it's negative. I love it. So leave it down below with a comment and a like and a dislike. I could care less as long as you are enjoying me or even hating me. It's okay, because I love you and you love me. Even if you hate me, I love you too. So like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll be back for another video.
So every day I repeat.